Hmm, I wonder who created this thing. I think it must be a mechanical engineer.
Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Hakim bin Suhaili, a representative from Engineering Insider. We'll be talking about mechanical engineering. I hope that this video will pull out your attention and interest about mechanical engineering. So, without wasting time, let's go! Mechanical engineering has changed the world. You could even say the cause of history, because they identified problems that were holding humanity back and they solved it. If you can think of an invention that revolutionized the way people live, odds are it was created by mechanical engineers. Theirs is the field of engineering focused on the design, construction, operation, and maintenance of machines and mechanical systems. And since beginning, mechanical engineering has faced so many challenges. The examples are too many to count, but consider things like the steam engine, airplanes, robots, and biomechanical suits. The engineers behind all of these devices were able to find solutions to big problems. A great effort almost always do. Technically, mechanical engineering is the application of principles and problem-solving techniques of engineering from design to manufacturing for any objects. They analyze their work using the principle of motion, energy, and force by ensuring that designs function safely, efficiently, and reliably at all costs. Some people might say that it is actually regarding machinery systems, designs, and things like that, but its application is much more than that. That includes solving today is and creating future solutions in healthcare, energy, transportation space, exploration, climate change, and more. So basically, what do mechanical engineers do? Mechanical engineering combines creativity, knowledge, and analytical tools to complete the difficult task of shaping an idea into reality. Mechanical engineers are typically involved with the generation of distribution and use of power, the processing of materials, the controls and automation of manufacturing systems, the designs and development of machines, and the solutions to environmental problems. They are characterized by personal creativity, breadth of knowledge, and versatility. With a mechanical engineering degree, you are not limited to automotive industry or anything. You can pretty much branch off to almost everything. They are highly versatile in what you can do. Construction, automotive, heating and air conditioning, materials, robotics, energy sector, combustion engines, and else. There are a lot of invention that has been created by mechanical engineers. Back in the day, if you wanted to get somewhere, you will have two options, your own 2 feet or a horse. And if you want to take a heavy load with you, you needed a carriage, which are wheels. Wheels is one of the oldest inventions of mechanical engineering, which it is simple tool as a carriage. As the time passed, human cannot travel fast enough with a horse with a carriage, as the horse needed some rest. And this gave the engineers a problem. As the world opened up, it became more important to cover the distance in less time. They needed an engine. Thomas Newcomen was an inventor who developed the first steam engine with a piston. As the time flies, James Watt enhanced and developed a modern steam engine and concept of horsepower. They are a famous George and Robert Stephenson, a father and son duo who contribute to the first railway system and become the first public passenger train in 1885. There are a lot more applications and inventions from renowned mechanical engineers such as Thomas Edison, who invented the light bulb in 1879, Carl Benz, who created the first practical automobile in 1885. Then what are mechanical engineering are going to learn? I can pretty say that mechanical engineering is the core to all engineers. The reason why I stated that because mechanical engineering learns fundamental of electrical engineering. A few electrical engineering classes such as designing circuit board and understanding electricity. 2 years of math, mostly calculus, and they learn some chemistry subject. And even computer programming such as MATLAB to do some complicated math that beyond your calculator can do. And the main class that mechanical engineering will learn are static and dynamics, which will analyze forces of objects in machine system, whether it is not moving or moving. And of course, other physics class such as fluid mechanics, mechanics of materials, thermodynamics, and last but not least, designs of machines. Cool is not, you literally almost learn everything in engineering. So here is the example of list of program elective courses that you guys can choose and combine to meet a specific combination of course that will lead to a specialized study track for mechanical engineering in University of Malaya. There are lots of variations that you can go and proceed in career opportunity. As mechanical engineer, as you guys can see in the screen, there is a multiple type of classes that mechanical engineers can proceed. So to make it simple, for those of you who do not know, aerospace engineer is a sub-discipline of mechanical engineering. You could become aerospace engineer if you study aerospace engineering, but you can also become aerospace or aeronautical engineer if you study mechanical engineering. Interesting, right? So you can pretty much become everything related to mechanical engineering.
So how much salary as a mechanical engineer are going to make in Malaysia? Based on analysis of salary expert, the average mechanical engineer gross salary in Malaysia is 129,259 Malaysia ringgit per year. It is basically around 62 Malaysia ringgit per hour and 10,771 Malaysia ringgit per month. But for a senior mechanical engineer, they will make a lot more. So is mechanical engineering a good career? Personally, I think it is yes. A mechanical engineering degree can lead to careers in many fields, including manufacturing and aerospace. So far, have you interested in mechanical engineering yet? I wish it is, as living in this career provides strong annual salaries and it is very fun if you find the job is right for you.
So basically, mechanical engineers solve big problems that hold humanity. And when it comes to the problems that we still face today, such as driving in traffic, construction equipments, and etc., you can bet that mechanical engineers will be there to tackle these problems. So today, we have covered up almost everything about what is a mechanical engineering, beginning with the invention from a mechanical engineers in the history. We then move into mechanical engineering study syllabus and elective courses that we can choose, and we finish by going into the average base salary per year as a mechanical engineer. In the next episode, we will explore about chemical engineering and what they will do. So stay tuned and do not forget to leave a comment about this video. I hope that I have pulled out your intention in about mechanical engineering. That's all from me. Thank you.